welcome to my channel. It's a different here, and in today's video I am going to share with you tips on how to grow your small business in Nigeria. So stay with me, go Nigeria. Okay, so you can see that I'm doing my video outside, which is different from the regular videos you watch on my channel. Yeah, I had a birthday getaway, and my birthday is coming soon. It's in 2 days. So I'm not in my usual location. That's why I came out here to make a video for you. So if you're in Nigeria and you're looking to grow your small business very fast, I'll share with you some tips. Number one, embrace technology, which is quite broad. It's a broad thing to say, embrace technology, because it involves social media marketing as a business person. So you need to know how the various social media algorithm works: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and all of those platforms. Know how it works and then use it to your advantage. It's okay when you're starting out, you don't use all the platforms, because it could really be exhausting to use all the social media platform that we have. You can start with two or three where your customers are, or your potential customers are, and then you start from there and then know how it works and use it to your advantage. Another important tip is leverage on paid advertisements. You really need to learn how to run paid adverts, because in today's world, customers' attention is key. The person with the highest customer attention gets the money or makes the money. So it's very important that you pay to get your customers' attention. So learn social media advertisement, learn media buying, like they call it professionally. When you are able to master it, you will be able to sell, you'll be able to grow your small business, especially if you're in Nigeria. Another important tip is use influencer marketing. This is very important today because there are many people who are already listening to these influencers. There are many people who are your customers or your audience. They are already listening to bigger brands or big influencers, and it's very important that you invest in influencer marketing. It's very important because these people are already credible, or they are perceived as credible, and if they have to market your product or recommend your product to other people, your customers, which is in their circle of contact or their followers or fan base, it will sell faster. The last tip I'll share with you today is focus on the value of your product. Focus on giving out as much value as possible. This is very important because customer review is topping influencer marketing. People are not, as much as influencer marketing is good, people are not really believing influencers anymore, because they know that influencers are actually paid to advertise, or they are paid to talk about whichever product that they talk about or they promote. But customer review is very important based on the website reviews and all of that. In fact, I came across this fact that over 50% of online buyers will go to the website and check for reviews and what customers have to say before they buy. So it's very important. Customer review is fast topping influencer marketing. So invest in the value of your product. When you are able to deliver as much value as possible to your prospects, or sorry, to your customers this time around, because prospects become customers, right? When you are able to deliver as much value as possible to your customers, they give you a review that is good enough for other people to take that action that they took before. Don't forget that people do things because other people are doing it. For example, this place I am right now, when I was looking to have a birthday getaway, I checked online and I found out that there are many reviews about this place, and that's why I am here. I'm not going to reveal the location, but many people have reviews about this place that are very nice. I went online and we saw, like, people saying amazing stuff and all of that, and that's how I got it. So that is what customer reviews can do for your business. So focus on the value of your product and give as much value as possible to your customers. That is it for now. Thank you for watching. Please watch the video here or here somewhere on the screen, and please subscribe to my channel right now. Turn on the post notification so that whenever I post a video, you will be the first to watch. See you in my next video.